Hello guys, how are you? Back together, drawing for kids, hopefully entertained and enjoy watching videos. This new. Today, I will draw and color a home for the future of all of us. Hope you guys are happy. Let's go.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
We speed up the video so you don't have to wait too long.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was.
Do you also want have a nice future home, friends?
Children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Nice. It's time for us to thicken the picture of the house so that it looks clearer and better.
So
Let's go.
the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Wow, amazing. It's time to color this house so it looks beautiful. Let's color the house with
Mary, so why does the lamb love
red.
Mary, so the eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you
Yellow.
know. The teacher did reply. Mary
Brown.
had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Purple.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had
Green.
a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to
Red.
school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children
Blue.
laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so
Then we colored the glass with color pale baby blue.
and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb
Then we
love
color
Mary so?
door and underside of the house
Mary,
with
so
color
why does the
purple.
lamb love Mary, so the eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves
Blue
the
gray.
lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
And the last part of the grass we color with deep
Mary
olive
had
green.
a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Yeah, finally the future home for all of us is finished. Looks very nice and cool. Thank you, watched, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Had a little